Hello. Hey everyone. Welcome to the Cymining platform, where mining USDT is simple and hassle-free. Let's dive into how it works. First, you'll need a DeFi wallet app to get started. Also, on the app's homepage, you'll find clear instructions and detailed information about how the platform works. The process is straightforward. Simply head to the Cymining homepage and click Connect Wallet. Select Trust Wallet from the options and follow the prompts to link it. Super easy, and you'll be connected in no time. Next, on the homepage, click to switch your network to Binance Smart Chain. As long as your wallet has a balance, you're ready to mine. There's no need to make a deposit. Ready? Just hit this Start Mining button, and the platform will automatically kick off the mining process with its computing power. Pretty awesome, right? Want to earn extra rewards? Check out the Reward Center. You can participate in activities to score free rewards. One of the easiest ways? Invite your friends. Share your unique invite link, and when they join, you can earn multi-level rebate commissions daily, paid automatically once the conditions are met. Ready to cash out? Head to the Personal Center, click Withdraw, enter your desired amount, and watch the rewards transfer straight to your Trust wallet. Got questions? Our 24/7 Telegram support is always ready to help. Join the Cymining community today and start mining USDT with ease.